mean to jump scare you. I didn't mean to jump scare you. But we're gonna make a very goofy story. Very goofy, warning. This story is gonna be based off it's gonna be based off space. Okay? I don't know why, I just want to make space videos. It sounds cool, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go with this and I'm gonna spawn Anne. Okay, now that I have spawned Anne, I will now have to unleash the gods of T-pose. Let me just find it real. Voila, T-pose gods get summoned. Summons Spaghetti Girl. Summons Midnight. Summons... Just act like his name is in Default Boy, okay? His name is in Default Boy. Summons Elijah, yes. That's how I spell it. Summons Uranus. Ha ha ha. Oh my god, my husband. Nothing can change my disparates. I'm emo now. Disappears out of nowhere. Phew, phew, phew. Enemy God. Spaghetti, 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 spaghetti. Looney, why are you here? Actually, I'm here to control your word and secretary assistant. Spaghetti Girl, you have been busted for crime. You stole spaghetti from the Gotcha McDonald's. Come back here, you crime maker. Oh my god, that is so real. And then he told me to, hello people. You didn't have to scare us like that. And then Spaghetti Girl secretly kills the world with her spaghetti farts and aroma because it smells really bad because the spaghetti has been rotten for years and is definitely expired by now. The end, because now I'm exploding and I have a lot of homework to deal with and I'm basically forbidden for life. By the way, listen to Spaghetti Girl. Literally. Subscribe now or else you'll eat. Wait. I was gonna say something, but now I don't remember it. Now I don't even know how to pursue existence. Anyways, bye. Zoom in, scale, T-pose, core.